The question remains how you turn off the sun.